as these seedlings evolve. A testament to nature's resilience and
Textbook landing right there.
clay and fine graphite powder are precisely measured. Mixture enters the tank, and clean water is slowly inside the industrial kiln. The graphite rods are neatly arranged on the metal tray.
Full capacity. Ensure quality checks on the
sealed before stacking.
Looks secure. Everything accounted
Witness the remarkable journey as these seedlings evolve, drawing strength from the earth and light from the sun. From the smallest sapling, a forest is born, a testament to nature's resilience and enduring power.
Sunlight pierces the thick canopy, illuminating a world untouched by time. A truly majestic sight.
This pine looks ready for harvest. What's the measurement?
It's borderline, but the density is good.
All right, let's include it in the manifest.
All right, this is the one. Bring the caliper over here. It measures well, 15 inches. Perfect. Let's get the mark on it and prepare the fall line.
Diameter matches the manifest.
Copy that, proceeding with the cut.
That's a clean cut. Textbook landing right there. All right, move that stack clear. We're cutting the next one now. Bring it down slowly, right there. All right, perfect. Let's get the next one. Easy now, watch the alignment. Bring it down slow, right there. Clear on this side. Keep it coming, easy now. Bring it right up to the line. Keep the pace steady, we're backed up at the chipper. All right, loading the next batch now.
The short wooden blocks move smoothly into the precision slicing machine, where multiple sharp industrial blades cut them into thin, identical pencil slats.
The drying process removes moisture naturally as the freshly cut slats enter the kiln drying chamber.
The completely dried pencil slats move smoothly through this automatic treatment machine, where a thin layer of clear protective wax is evenly applied.
Reaches. An automatic staining machine evenly applies a light wood stain to enhance durability and machinability.
The refined clay and fine graphite powder are precisely measured before entering the high-speed mixer. The blended graphite and clay mixture enters the tank, and clean water is slowly added. The powerful mixer then
Kiln cycle commencing on line 3. Ensure all safety protocols are observed during the firing process.
Inside the industrial kiln, The graphite rods are neatly arranged on the metal tray, while high temperatures evenly bake and harden them.
Core placement. The grooved wooden slats pads containing the baked graphite rods move smoothly. Automatic gluing station. Attention all workers. Ensure the sanding machine feeders are regularly checked for optimal smoothness. Attention all personnel. The branding line is running at full capacity. Ensure quality checks on the Atlas HB run.
Here, the polished metal ferrule is precisely crimped onto the cedar wood, ensuring a perfect fit every time.
Quality check active. One defective unit detected and rejected. All remaining units meet specifications.
Our state-of-the-art machinery ensures every pencil is accurately counted and grouped before being seamlessly packed for delivery.
Ensure all boxes are properly sealed before stacking.
All right, bring it back another foot. Easy now.
Looks secure. Everything accounted for on the manifest.
Here you go, son. It's a very good one.
Thank you, Uncle.